connect your Redmi Watch 5 Active with Android smartphone, you will need to begin with the watch itself. Click and hold the power button on the right side of the watch until you can see the language options. In this case, we're gonna go with the English, and the next step is to download the app. You can do it either by scanning QR code on the watch with your camera or by downloading it from Google Play Store. The app is called MI Fitness, and I've already downloaded it. Then you will need to accept all of the permissions and log in or create your account. Now when everything is ready, select device, go for add device, and then select the watch from the list. When you selected your watch, it will begin connecting with your phone. Now confirm it on both of the devices. On your Android, it might look a bit different as you need to accept it through the notifications panel. Now when everything is ready, you can either go to the settings or select done. Then continue. And here we have it, our watch is successfully connected to our Android smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.